the chances are that if you're watching this, you probably don't have contracts with Mercedes-Benz, BMW or Land Rover or any of those. If you're watching this video, then you're also probably into car photography. This comes down to 3 things. These are knowing your worth, knowing your demographic, and persistence. Knowing your worth. You have to know your worth because, let's put it this way, if you charge too much for your own skill level, clients will not be satisfied with the work that they receive. Vice versa, if you charge too little, then you're undermining your own worth. And, well, let's face it, you won't be getting as much money as you normally would be getting. Knowing your demographic is key to pinpointing who your style of work will appeal to. Remember that demographics are all about stereotyping people. If we look at some basic data collected via my Instagram, reflecting also over my client history and work completed through my website, word of mouth, etc., we can see that a whopping 93% of my demographic are men, while only 7% are women. The majority are also aged between 18 and 24, with the equivalent of just under a quarter of those being aged 25 to 34. Obviously, it makes sense for me to be targeting potential clients who mostly fit within those statistics. I say mostly because I think it's important to keep an open mind when finding people specifically. For instance, if I come across a girl who is aged 40, drives an M3 competition and wants photos of her car, should I get in touch with them even though they don't fit my demographic? This is what I mean when I say mostly. Take your own data with a pinch of salt. Finally, persistence. Persistence can feel like an ever diminishing return, but it will pay off in the long run. Now, I understand that I haven't actually given anything specific yet, but trust me, I am getting to that, so just stick with me because here it comes. Make sure you have some kind of physical means for clients to contact you, i.e. business cards. Build up a portfolio of car photography on an Instagram account. Why Instagram? Well, that's where I found the most traction for car enthusiasts who fit my clientele. It's also completely free, so that's a bonus. You will then need to find and get in touch with car enthusiasts who fit your demographic. They will not come to you. Not at first, at least anyway. Try and pick people who clearly want pictures of their cars. As far as pricing goes, try and keep it fairly low for now. As a cool idea, maybe you could do package deals like 50 photos for £25 or £30 or something like that. Another tip is to add prices as a story highlight on your Instagram page, so that anyone viewing your page can then see directly how much you charge. Okay, so hopefully I've achieved the aim for this video, which is not to give some vague BS advice, but to give you some actual strategies that you can follow to hopefully get the ball rolling. Let me know how you get on, and I'll see you in the next one.